In the heart of Villa di Civita Giuliana, a remarkable discovery has come to light, shedding new insights into the lives of ancient Pompeians. Among the troves of historical artifacts unearthed, one particular find stands out: the Carpentry house. This humble abode unveils the craftsmanship and daily routines of a carpenter and his family, offering a glimpse into the past like never before. Within the walls of the Carpentry house, traces of intricate woodwork and tools of the trade have been meticulously preserved. From chisels to saws, each artifact speaks volumes about the skill and dedication of the ancient carpenter. Beyond the workshop, the living quarters paint a vivid picture of domestic life in ancient Pompeii. From simple furnishings to household utensils, every item tells a story of family bonds and everyday rituals. The discovery of the Carpentry house not only enriches our understanding of ancient Pompeian society, but also highlights the importance of craftsmanship in daily life. It serves as a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of past civilizations. As archaeologists delve deeper into the secrets of the Carpentry house, its educational potential becomes apparent. From school field trips to academic research, this newfound treasure offers a wealth of learning opportunities for scholars and enthusiasts alike. With newfound attention comes the responsibility of preservation. Efforts are underway to ensure the Carpentry house remains intact for future generations to explore and appreciate. As excavations continue in Villa di Civita Giuliana, who knows what other wonders lie waiting to be discovered? The journey of unraveling Pompeii's past is far from over, and each new find brings us closer to understanding this ancient civilization. In conclusion, the discovery of the Carpentry house in Villa di Civita Giuliana marks a significant milestone in the study of Pompeian history. From its humble beginnings to its enduring legacy, this newfound treasure offers a unique window into the past, enriching our knowledge and appreciation of ancient civilizations. As we continue to explore and preserve these invaluable relics, we ensure that the voices of the past are never forgotten.